Hi everyone, Dr. LeMay here, and this week's patient wins are all nutrition patients, and so I wanted to go through that with you right now. So the first one here is a 40-year-old male whose blood pressure is back to normal, his insomnia and nervousness are gone. And then I had 3 female patients that did the 21-day purification program, and the first one over here is a 35-year-old female. She did the program, she lost 4 pounds of fat and gained 2 pounds of muscle, no more gas pains or fatigue at all, and she has improved skin and her clothes fit better. Over here we have a 26-year-old female. She did the same program and she's lost so far, she's not quite done, but she's lost so far 8 pounds and she has better endurance throughout the day. And then the most dramatic one here that did the program was a 47-year-old female. She has no more stomach pains, skin's cleared up, and she's sleeping 8 hours a night now, which before she could only sleep like 2 to 3 hours, and she looks totally different. So if you want to get on the patient win board, give our office a call, and we'll see you next week on the Patient Wins.